That's a rat?
It's a rat terrier.
Rat terrier.
Chihuahua.
Introducing Moo. Moo. And it's a male?
Yeah.
How's he going to give milk?
Jack it off.
Alright, turn it around.
My laser eye surgery with Dr. Kugler was extremely successful.
Moo. Moo. Hey, you're looking at the camera. Good job. Good job, dog. Yeah, good job, dog. How you doing, Moo? Moo? Don't drop him.
I'm not gonna drop him.
Moo. Moo.
I know he's confused. It's okay.
You're gonna be such a mean ass little ankle biting brat. Oh, he yawned. Oh, let me go back to bed. Put me back in the covers.
Saturday, June 25th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. for the B Psychological.
Oh, what a big yawn. Big yawn. Yeah. Hi, Moo. Nice to meet you, Moo.
Knuckle guard dog.
Yep. Busted knuckle guard dog. Oh my God.
Oh, they're coming back. They got
That ain't happening.
Yep. Got two now, I think.
I like him. I think he's cute.
Something like Scott likes.
How big is he supposed to get? Don't know, because he's a mix.
6 pounds.
Want to be a biker dog? Huh? I got a front saddlebag. Might be available on the right side. Have to find you a set of goggles, though.
They sell them at PetSmart.
Ah, not that small.
PetSmart, we seen yesterday. And little socks, huh?
I think he's got to go pick.
Socks?
They sell socks for dogs.
They sell snow boots?
Just socks right now.
Mine have snow boots.
Put him in a nylon, let him run
All right,
like hell.
later.
There.